When it comes to setting up proportions in application problems, which there are a ton of different applications for proportions, a lot of times students are telling me that they do not understand where to put what. It's the setup that's bothering them, not so much the solution. Because it's really not hard, you just cross multiply. Here's what I want you to do. Every time you are setting up a proportion problem, make a table. If you make a table the way I show you, it'll always be correct, okay? And you're not going to have to guess. Let me show you how to make it in this case. When pediatricians prescribe acetaminophen to children, they prescribe 5 milliliters of acetaminophen for every 25 pounds of the child's weight. Okay, immediately from that just one sentence, let's make a table. First, we know that there are milliliters and there are pounds. And it says for 5 milliliters, 25 pounds. Okay? We already filled this up. The next is the crucial part. It says, if Jack weighs 50 pounds, where are we going to put the 50 pounds? Are we going to put the 50 over here? Or are we going to put over here? Where? Well, 50 was the pounds, and then obviously the pounds is the second row, so that's where we're supposed to put it. See, when you make a table like this, there's no way you're going to mess it up. This is going to be 50 right here. And then we want to know how many milliliters, so milliliters is the question, and we call this X. And now we can just set up the proportion by looking at the table. This is 5 divided by 25 equal X divided by 50. That's it. Now, to solve it, what are you going to do? Well, you're going to cross multiply. What that means is that you're going to multiply like this, and then multiply like this, and make them equal each other. Okay, 5 multiplied by 50 equals X multiplied by 25. And then to solve it for X, you are just going to divide both sides by 25. That's going to give you 10, I believe, but you can always check that on the calculator. This is going to cancel. And a good idea would be to also plug in that 10 and see 5 over 25, is that equal to 10 over 50? You will see that that's correct. Okay, so over here, I'm just going to type what I got, and X equals 10, so 10 milliliters of acetaminophen.